Hey guys, Scott with UFO Community here, and we have a very interesting sighting. I want to thank UFO Casebook for allowing me to use the footage, and we're going to get a little closer here with this next run. We're going to zoom in a little bit, and this object is pretty amazing. I think it's great footage, and as you will see here, this is from Ontario, Canada, back in July of last year. And I recognize the shape of this thing. I know I've seen it somewhere else before. But nonetheless, very good sighting. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you to all the new subscribers, and we will catch you next time.